Hi everyone, I wanted to share another craft project idea, and here I made a little treat holders for Friendsgiving. These would be perfectly for my daughter's friends, and you can also use them for your family and just put Happy Thanksgiving or thank you sentiment on here. So here, this sleeve pocket here measures approximately 4.5 by 4.5 this way and 3 5/8 across. Okay, and I just got some punches and I just embellished that and adhere some foam tape underneath this. Okay, and then I just use my circle punch and punch this side out, which is the 1 3/4 punch. And this is from using the KI Memories Groovy photo mat pad. So this pad measures about 7 by 5 inches, so it's perfect. So that's what I use for these ones. Then I went ahead and I'm going to use this Paisley Parade for the tutorial that I'm doing with you guys. So on this one, like I said, it's 7 by 5. So on your 7, sorry, I was off frame there. On your 7 side, which is your landscape side, you want to score this at 1/2 inch, okay? And then turn it and also score it at 1/2 inch on the 5-inch side. Reason being is that when you fold this, this is your flap that you're going to adhere. If you would have scored before folding it, sometimes it does not align. So on here you could show it shows that it's 3 3/4 is where you should be scoring, but sometimes it's not the same. Like, I don't know, maybe the paper cut, but sometimes it's not the same. So to be better accurate in the what do you call it, in the size or on the paper, just fold it in half with the flap inside, and then just go ahead and use your scorer or your bone folder and just varnish that, and then that makes the perfect line for you. Okay, and also I scored a little bit on here because that is where we're going to punch with the punch circle. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is on this side here, you're going to, let's see, cut it just a little on the top part, just in the diagonal, like a corner round area. Same thing on this side, right? Okay, my camera is so moving. Okay, sorry, hold on, let me fix my camera. It moved. Okay, let me see if I can get it back. Okay, so basically snip this part and snip this side and this side, which connects to this little score here. And on here, you want to do the same and just a little part. And you want to cut above this left score line because you will be cutting this whole side off. And you want to cut right above the score line, so when you do fold in that bottom flap, it is not snug and it's not tight. So, okay, that's what. So you should have one that looks like this. And again, when you fold it, you could pretty much see where the middle is. So I scored this at, I think 1 5/8. So it's 1 2 3 4 5/8, and that's where I made my little score mark. And that way I can go ahead and use my 1 3/4 punch circle here. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. So you just want to go ahead and align it to the middle of your punch. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and then just, let me see here, and just punch it out. Let me see. Yes, okay, perfect. And then what you're gonna do is just go ahead and put your tape. So I'm using a double-sided tape. I think this is a 1/4 inch tape. You can use your wet glue if that's what you have, but to make it easier for me, I'm using my double stick tape. And then I just fold that in, varnish it, just to be thing, and then just go ahead and also put a tape on here, varnish it again. So let's go ahead and peel the backing. So I've been inking and crafting, so excuse. So like I said, when you fold it in, it's perfect. And then just go ahead and take that as well. Just remove those. And then just use your bone folder to varnish it so you know that it's adhered properly. And there you have it. Then you can go ahead, like I said, when you cut this little tab here, go ahead and keep this here because you can use this and just cut on the score line on the bottom, and then cut on this side here. And you're just gonna pretty much make a fishtail on each side. Okay. Okay, and then this part that you cut approximately measures at 3 1/4. Okay, and then you just stamp your sentiment on here. So I stamped it a thank you sentiment, and that's what I'll be putting here. And you want it to, you know, so this is the same pattern. You want to go ahead and use it on a different pattern paper. So then, let's see, I have some more here. So it doesn't flush with the pattern in the back. And then what will make it pop is the sentiment itself. So, you know, just try to find ones that are mix match. So, you know, but I think they're really cute. You can do these with kids as well, but they're perfect. You can even change the paper. Like I've used this side. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but it's just falling. Yeah, and you can use different papers and just make the sentiment happy birthday, happy Halloween, you know, happy Valentine's, whatever the season and holiday, or even the celebration. And I hope you liked the tutorial. I will continue to make some more this coming month, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.